Today I'm going to show you the tools for the Xbox. So this screwdriver is really good. I'm just gonna let it focus for a little. Yeah, let's try. Oh, that's good focus. Oh, come on. This thing can't really focus that good, but yeah, it's this one. And you can see these buttons. I just changed them because it looks so cool, so much cooler with a black and white. And then I just let these buttons with colors because it's even awesome like this. So yeah, the buttons are black. So yeah, it's really good, really sturdy. And I just complemented it with my silicone buttons, so I don't mess these ones. See? Oops, I'm not putting it properly with one hand. But yeah, I think you can. Okay, this is nice. And this is nice as well, I guess. Yeah, they look nice. That's it. Thank you.